Hello Modernauts and future Blender heads. There was a question in Facebook how to model this kind of object with a nice topology, and as everyone knows, there's like a million of tutorials how to do this hole in the cylinder nice way, but I decided to make my own because there's some things I want to show, and also this easy enough project to start with, as I hope this is not my last tutorial I make for Blender. So let's start by hiding this one and make a cylinder. This is one thing I like to show. Is this a nice add-on, Better by Menus. It has a lot of nice stuff, and this custom primitives is one nice thing. It uses geometry nodes, so in that way it's nothing special, but the user interface around this is really nice. So I apply the primitive, and next thing I select these polygons where we make the hole, and for the hole I use my node tool, circular hole, which I plan to release at some point. Basically what it does, it works same way as if you look for the tutorials how to make this kind of hole. They show you the method with the shrink wrap modifier, and basically this node setup does exactly that. I hope I will soon make a tutorial how to make that tool, and also share the tool as Blender file for those who don't wanna do it themselves. Okay, I'll delete this because next thing I scale this to the ellipse, but actually before I do that I fill it and then split, remove it, separate, because I move it in the center so we can bridge that inner tube. So let's think about it, because I don't know. First I make a circle with loop tools, and as I don't know how to move that polygon nicely in center, I separate it and then use here geometry to origin. Now it's nicely in center, and then I rotate it like this, and select both of these and join selected. Now they are back in the same mesh. So now I use loop tools, bridge, and what I don't like is that I always have to manually adjust the twist. In Modo this didn't happen. The bridge almost always gives the nice correct twist for you. So now we have the tube inside. Then I select these X-ray, and I eyeball it. This is not exactly, but if you need exact, maybe use cat. So when it's straight, it should be like relatively even thickness in the tube. And let's make, for the sake of something here, I don't know. Okay, and supporting edge there with the bevel, and then we can add subd modifier. This is also from the Better by Menus. I really love that pop-up. Without it, Blender would be much worse to use. There's like a lot of stuff that I don't know where they are in the actual Blender UI, because I use them only from the Better Pie menu, smart menus and pies. So I think we are almost there. This is the object we made, and how long it took, I don't see it. Maybe add a bit here, and maybe add a material. Now I think it's finished. So hope to see you soon again, and I will show you more advanced stuff. Bye.